Hello everyone, my name is Pranav and I look after South Asia for Fanshawe College, which is based in an amazing city called London in Ontario, Canada. Now, if you talk about Fanshawe, the image in front of you is our Oxford Street campus, approximately 110-acre big campus. Fanshawe was formed nearly 53 years ago, so 53 years of quality education. What we have more than 21,000 students studying on campus, so it's as big as any institution or any university. Uh, Number of international students are around 7,500 from different 104 countries. So even if we talk about India, there would be around 2,000, 2,500 students coming from India, or up to 3,000 as well. But even in India, there's a amazing diversity that you have. So you've got students from Punjab, from Delhi, from Calcutta, from Northeast, from Chennai, from Mumbai, from Pune, from Kerala. So we have got students from all across India as well. So Fanshawe is spread in entire city. So as you can see that we have got four campuses in London city itself. Oxford Street campus is the one that is very popular, 110-acre big. Majority of the programs are run there. Then there is a Motive Power campus right across the street of Oxford Street campus, which is only for automotive students, specialized campus. Then you see there's an aviation campus. Aviation campus is at the airport, at the London airport. So any programs related to aerospace or aviation or avionics, you will be studying at the airport itself, because that's where all your employers are. If I talk about London downtown campus, we've got a couple of huge buildings in London downtown campus. So our IT programs, our creative arts programs, and our hospitality programs are taught at London downtown campus. If I talk about London South campus, that is a complete international campus. The entire campus is for international students only. We've got multiple 2 years program in IT, in health, which is a new one, and in business that are run in London South campus. So these are the different campuses within London City that we have. So this is the transportation campus, the Motive Power campus, the Z building that we call. Uh, all the automotive related programs are taught in this particular campus. This is the downtown campus, the new campus in downtown that we have. It has got IT, it hosts the IT school and the culinary arts school and the hospitality school here. Sorry, right across the street, it's this building where it is of creating digital and performing arts. Fanshawe Aviation Center, as you can see, that this is our aviation school, which is at the airport, and we have our own hangar. So you see that students have this uh, practical exposure working on actual airplanes and helicopters. So everything is provided to the students, and it's not just in the aviation campus or the airport, it's for other programs as well. So if I go back to the previous slide, right, if you can see, I don't know, the chef's table, which is just on the ground floor of Fanshawe's building, that is the restaurant, which is around just a second. I'll see that I can get a laser pointer here. So if you guys can see right here, the chef's table. So that is the sorry, yeah. So that is the restaurant which is open for the local public as well. So our hospitality students actually cater to the real-time guests, so just to give them the first-hand advantage to understanding the industry, how exactly the industry works. Uh, I talked about London South Campus. These are the programs that are run in London South Campus, all postgrad programs, and for completely for international students. Right across the street is the Argyle Mall, which is the biggest mall of London. So you have all your part-time opportunities therein as well. You also have multiple regional campuses just around 45 minutes drive away. We've got Simcoe campus at Simcoe, which is the agriculture hub of Ontario. So you've got our agri-business management taught there. Then there is St. Thomas campus and Woodstock campus. So these are the three campuses, regional campuses that we have. Now, if you talk about how exactly the college education is not like your traditional education, which you are currently pursuing in India or the universities in Canada would offer, which will be completely theoretical and research based. This is more towards skill training, more than teaching you something about your particular subject. It is more into making you job ready so that you get employed straight away after completion of the program. Of course, it is completely community focused. What I mean by community focus is that what kind of jobs that the community are there to offer, or there are available in community. So those programs are taught in these community colleges. So for example, as I mentioned, because it's an agriculture hub, so agribusiness management is huge. In London, manufacturing is very, very big industry. So we have multiple programs in mechanical. Hospitality is huge. So our hospitality school is very popular. Finance is huge. So professional financial services and insurance, these kind of programs are offered so that students get jobs straight away. Employment is always the focus. There are industry collaboration. So industry collaboration, the way industry collaboration works is that we invite industry people to come in and invest in the college. So there are manufacturing companies, they've come into the college and set up our labs, or they give us ideas that what kind of labs should we set up, or what kind of uh, program we should teach so that you get jobs easily after completion of the program. Then, how exactly learning in Fanshawe happens? Completely project based. There are a lot of assignments, and these are live assignments. So that can happen in class and take home assignments as well. Professors that have been teaching in Fanshawe, they have a lot of experience in the industry. So our IT dean used to be the vice president of BlackBerry before he joined Fanshawe. So as you must be aware that BlackBerry is a Canadian company. So these kind of professors are hired by the college so that the industry advantage is given to the student. And programs are developed involving the industry feedback that I already talked about. That whatever decision is taken related to programs, the industry always gets involved. State of the art facilities, of course, I've talked so much about it. That Fanshawe has its own hangar. The labs are completely industry focused. Whatever is happening in the industry will be taught to you inside your classroom and the labs as well. So, of course, because Fanshawe has worked very closely with the industry, this has led to an amazing employment opportunities for the students. I am very proud to share that Fanshawe College's employment rate, 90.3%, is ranked number one among all the colleges in Ontario. Of course,